Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use any network related apps on your NVIDIA Shield. And right here, let's try to open YouTube, and as you can see, we can't connect right now. I'm just gonna show you that in a second that I have a internet connection. So the same is with Google Play Store. And to fix both of the issues, we'll need to open a settings. And here also you can see that I'm connected to the internet. And again, to fix this in the settings, select preferences, scroll down to date and time. And here make sure that you're using network provided time. This should fix both of the issues, and when we go back to our YouTube, it works fine now. And the same is with any other network app like Netflix or Google Play Store. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.